Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably wanna know how to download or install Heesay dating app. In this video, we will guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and easy process, whether you are using an Android device or an iPhone. Heesay is a popular dating app designed to help you connect with interesting people and make meaningful relationships. In this tutorial, you will learn how to locate the Heesay app in the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Download it securely and set it up for the best user experience. We'll cover everything from granting necessary permissions to creating your account, ensuring you are ready to start meeting new people right away. If you are looking to enhance your dating life with the latest features of the Heesay app in 2024, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips, tutorials and dating tips. Now for iPhone users, what you got to do is make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. Now find and tap the App Store icon. Tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type Heesay. Look for the Heesay app in the search results, identify by its logo. Tap the Get button next to the app icon. You might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID, Touch ID to confirm. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the app. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If not, sign up for a new account. And that's how you can download Heesay app on iPhone. Now for Android users, make sure that your Android device is connected to the internet. Find and tap the Play Store icon. Tap on the search bar at the top and type Heesay. Look for the Heesay app in the search results, identify by its logo. Tap the Install button next to the app icon. The app will automatically install. Once complete, tap Open to launch it. If you have already an account, log in. If not, create a new account. And that's pretty much all about how you can download, install Heesay app. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.